So I again get back to the point. First, first brush up subject knowledge and general awareness. So make a general awareness of the field you have chosen to be the part of it. Getting me? So there should be the general awareness and sound knowledge of the subject in which you are going to be the part of an adventurer. Getting me? Know about the company and your profile. Two things you must keep in your mind. First, know the company in which you are going to apply for the post you are going to apply. And then know your own profile, whether you are fit for the industry or not. You are fulfilling the criteria demanded by the industry. If yes, then prepare yourself for the industry, because in India it is a saying, it is a proverb that there is a cutthroat competition existed in India. If you want to be selected in the industry, so you must prepare better than that of other candidates appeared in the interview. Getting me? So know the industry first. Just come to know what kind of work they are taking and what the industry is, what they are selling, what my services would be, where should I be the fit. So these things you must come to know before appearing in the interview. Even then, you must prepare yourself fully and properly for the interview. Okay? And the next point is here. Prepare your formal interview dress, other accessories, footwear, belt, etc. at night and avoid early morning time crisis. So you must well prepared with all your belongings, whether it is dressing, clothing, fooding, and there should be the awareness of the time. Time awareness. If you will prepare yourself before the interview properly, take a sleep, take a healthy rest before appearing, not to be in hurry, in a hurdle way. Getting me? So this is what here the point discusses. Job interview are do's. What? Plan to arrive in time or few minutes early. Late arrival for a job interview is never excusable. If you are a late riser, are you late in the interview, so your impression will be collapsed. It is said, first impression is the last impression. If you want to be selected, punctual about the time. Come before time, on time, or in time. Getting me? So the first advice is this. The second is greet the interviewer by their first name. Don't say good morning to all. If females are first greeting them, example, good morning ma'am, good morning sir. You know, greeting doesn't take you anything but pays a lot. ऐसा कहा जाता है कि अगर आप किसी को नमस्ते प्रणाम करते हैं तो आपसे कुछ नहीं ली जाती है, लेकिन इसके एवज में आपको बहुत कुछ दिया जाता है. Getting me? So it lies a lot of benefits if you are greeting, if you are not greeting. But that you can understand with which when you are greeting and when you are not greeting, what kind of things you are getting and what kind of things you lack. Getting me? So greet first as you enter, ask the interviewers about your sitting and all that thing. But if there is, it is as it is mentioned here, if there are females, so greet first females. They always have the secure position and place in human history. प्रथम स्थान महिलाओं का होता है, लेडीज फर्स्ट. There is a code of conduct for the ladies, that ladies first always. Yes. Okay? Ladies first always. So first greet if there is lady or there are ladies, so female should be greeted first. Okay? There is a policy of the first. Okay? And then other. Wait until you are offered a chair before sitting. Sit upright and always look alert and interested. So you must ask for your sitting. May I sit? Would you allow me to be seated here? Ask these kinds of questions. And then you must be always alert, because there would be questions and queries from many sides, and you have to satisfy one and all in an equal way. This is the way of cracking the interview. Getting me? This is what. And the next point is, be good listener as well as good talker. First, listen. Always it is advice to each and every word. Listen first. Speak later. So listen first and always ready to speak first. Initiate first, but after listening. Response quick. There should be a quick response. Okay? And then another advice is here, is smile and maintain eye contact. So there should be always a maintenance of the eye contact. In interview, you must have a smiling face. Maybe it may be fake smile, artificial smile, or lavish smile. Getting me? But there should be a smiling face in the interviews. Getting me? And you should have an eye contact too. Make sure you convey your good points factually and sincerely. Keep in mind that you alone can. Then always try to satisfy the interviewers. You would be the best, not the better. You would be fruitful, adventurous, beneficial, unique, and there is no match at all to you. None can match you. You would be the best. try to make the interviewers understand about your uniqueness, fruitfulness. Getting me? Try to convince the interviewers that there is no match. You are matchless, extraordinary, beneficial, and none can match you. And your company will be on the high sky with the selection of me. Getting me?
Yes, sir.
This is the tip. And sell yourself to an interviewer. As I am a teacher, I am selling no product but my services. To sell yourself in such a way, no product can compare you. None can compare you. You are the best product. Your services is unique. None can match you. This is the way you can crack the interview. And there is a movie, Three Idiots. Not to show your weaknesses, necessity, need. If you can't select me, I will die due to lack of money. No, if you lack money, show I have a lot surplus. If you can't select me, no matter. Another places are awaiting me. Your company is not fit for me. I am fit for all the companies. You are not the best. I am the best for the best one. Try to convince them. Getting me? This is the actual way of cracking the interviews. Handle cross question with patience and answer them logically. Keep a patience. Listen patiently all the interviewers and try to console them, convince them that you are the best. And if you have not been selected, so it would be the worst selection for you, for your company. Getting me? This is what. Say thanks with a smile when it is over. And when the interview is over, so greet them all with a smiling face and a lot of value of thanks, and then move away by asking about your departure. May I go? This is the way to crack the interview. On some point that should be noted. Thank you very much to all of you for being the part of the interview tips. And I always thank my student and they, with all their patience they show during my lecture. Thank you very much to all of you. Finish.
Thank you, sir.